Thinking about buying a home this year? Do you get confused with all the housing market lingo? Don't worry, I'm here to help. Hey there, this is Christina Sparks, realtor with Coldwell Banker, owner House of Sparks. Let's get right into it. Let's talk affordability. What does affordability mean exactly? This is a measure of whether someone earns enough to qualify for a loan on a typical home. Factors that play are the applicant's income and the mortgage rate data. You may have heard the debt to income ratio before. Affordability depends on what your debt to income ratio is. Here are some questions you can ask yourself. Do you have a lot of debt? How does your income compare to your debt? How much cash flow do you have each month? Most loans and lenders want to see your DTI under 45%. When it comes to buying a home, the dollar amount you can get approved for will be your affordability, and your affordability will depend on your debt to income ratio. Basically, does your income versus debt qualify you to be able to afford a mortgage payment each month? As always, reach out with any questions you might have. Happy to help in any way that I can. Have a great day.